Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Sabrina Shahrani from English Time Club. And here we go, I'd love to share about what is English Time Club and also Jeffrey. So have you ever heard about English Time Club? So English Time Club is the famous English courses in Tasikmalaya. Why it can be famous? Because English time is different. We're not going to learn by writing, but we are improving our skills, especially in speaking like a foreigner. But we're not only learning about how to speak like a foreigner, but also we can learn debating skills, storytelling skills, and broadcasting skills. In broadcasting part, we can learn in Jeffrey. Even we can learn about photography, cinematography, acting, and also modeling. So if you want to know more about Jeffrey and English Time Club, you can join our Facebook in English Time Club and Jeffrey. So see you later, bye!